Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am just going to go over my mini Sephora haul and talk about the goodies and the free goodies that I got. So we'll just go ahead and jump right into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's just jump right into it. Alright, so I have my Sephora app open and I just have the last recent purchases, so if I do want to jump on and kind of talk about the product a little bit, I have it here. So put the box to the side and let's just start off with two things I've used before that it's a rebuy. So of course the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I stuck with the same shade I'm wearing right now. It's the dark brown. I almost went towards the ashier one, but I feel like it does match my roots a little bit better, and I just kind of like a darker, bolder brow. And I know I do have the balayage and like the blonder at the ends, and I just think it looks best personally for me. So this will be my second one. I'm surprised I'm almost at the bottom of my first one, and I don't hit pan on a lot of things, so it was sad but fun, I guess, to reach the end of a product and know I used it fully, didn't expire or anything like that. So always a go-to brow product for me. And they retail $21. And then I had to get this again. It's by It Cosmetics. It's a Confidence in a Cream. And this is the smaller size. There is a larger size of it. This one is 0.5 flow ounces, and it lasts me a long time, the first one, so I just felt like I could go with this again. So this is the size of it. And I am almost done with my other one, but this one is sealed, so I'll open the other one up and show you the consistency of it. And this goes for $17. Right now the size is sold out on Sephora, online at least. It might not be at your local Sephora, but then if you want to get, let's see, I wonder if I can show you the price for the bigger one. I think it was $49. So the bigger one is $49 and it is 2 ounces. So I'm okay with this one for now, and then if I really just want to keep it in my skincare routine, I will go ahead and get the larger one. But let me go ahead and just grab that from my bathroom so you can see what the consistency looks like. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went and grabbed the Confidence in a Cream from my restroom, which has all my products for my face. So I have a little bit left. It is a creamy, milky product. It feels really hydrating on the skin. And then I also have the Confidence in an Eye Cream. Brightens, repairs, and transforms, and it illuminates. That one is also teeny tiny. I'm sure it comes in a bigger size, but it's the same consistency. And I just kind of dab this gently under my eyes. And I will actually use these for my day skin prep routine. And I have other products I use for nighttime moisturizing, but these are really awesome products. They feel good on, good under makeup, and I use these in combination for my wedding. Okay, next on the list I have, I don't know if it's pronounced Liange. It is a sleeping lip mask. So these are meant to just really hydrate your lips while you're sleeping. And this was the best scent out of all of them. There was the original, which was kind of fruity, like cherry blossomy, I think, if I can remember. And there was an apple lemon or apple citrus, which just wasn't my type of a smell I like. But this one is vanilla and it is awesome. So this is what it looks like. You get 0.7 ounces and seal. It smells so good. It's not the overpowering type of vanilla. Like this is a vanilla you could have in like in a candle in your house, and it's not going to be like overpowering, overwhelming, and just give you a headache. It comes with this cute little silicone applicator, so you can just dip into the product and apply it. I feel like if you're using it on multiple people or like sharing it or something, maybe that would come in handy somehow, but I'll probably just dip into it, and because it's just going to be all mine. And this retailed for $20. Let me just go double check really quick on the app. My account, purchase history, yes, $20, lip sleeping mask. So I'm really happy about that one. And then the last thing that I got was from Tarte. It's $35. It was one of the holiday specials. It's 9 Ways to Shine Cheek. So it's 3 different cheek palettes, and each one has 3 pans in it, and they kind of unfold from each other, if that makes sense. So I'll go ahead and show you all of them and the packaging that it came in. It retailed, like the value is $215. So it was really fun to see that, and I love all things Tarte, so definitely had to have this. This is what it came in. There's snowflakes all around it. It's like the rose gold color. These are the products here, and you can see how they kind of fold over into themselves and they stack up. So let's go ahead and go over all of them here. They look like this. So these are all 3 of them. I'm going to go ahead and open up this gold one here. These shades are, it's Frosty, Sleigh Bells, and Shimmering. And it's a cheek wardrobe, so this is more of a shimmery. This is like a champagne shimmer. And then it unfolds to a cheek, like a blush. And then the bottom one is more of a deeper satin with a little bit of a shimmer in it, which could be used as a blush as well, or if you want to do just a little bit in the bronzing area. But this is the first one. And then let's go into the second one, which is more of the bronze color. And these are Snow-Kissed, Prize, and Peppermint Mocha. So they're holiday themed titles, which is fine because I'll use them all year round. So this one has more of the pink and then the brown that you can definitely tell you can use this as a bronzer. And then on the back, they're blank on the back, so then I think it just goes in order of what's listed for the names. So this top one must be Snow-Kissed. Super fun. You can see it better to the side because of the ring light is so bright, it kind of washes out the color when I turn it. But so you have the first 2. And then the last one is this black packaging, and the shades are NYE, so New Year's Eve, Decked Out in Mistletoe. Ooh, look at that one. Very, very beautiful. So you could use these on a lot of different skin tones, is what I'm saying. So this is good to have in your makeup kit if you do makeup for other people. So I'll just hold them all up together. Lot of good products, definitely worth $35. So yeah, those are all the things that I actually purchased and had them in my cart. And then you know how you can pick with your points or like little samples, things like that. So I got, let's see, something from Dermalogica, which is a pre-cleanse balm. I think that, oh, it's a deep cleansing balm to oil melts away impurities and makeup from skin. So I could use this to take off this makeup look later. So that's what that looks like, just a little package. And then I also got something from Pharmacy, Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. So I just think it's fun to try out new things. This you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off. And then when I was about to check out, I went just on Google and searched in Sephora coupons, and I found this code. I always just try that and see if there's anything I can get with a coupon. And I found the coupon code and I forgot what it was. I just tried it in and it said, oh, the sample kit will send you type of a thing for free. And so when I opened my box, this whole bag was in there I didn't know how big it was going to be, filled with a ton of samples. So I'm just going to go through this. I haven't looked at everything in here, but it doesn't hurt to look for coupon codes and see what you can get from it. So it's just a ton of stuff, like the NARS. This is their soft matte complexion concealer, and it just talks about the product, all the shades, and then gives you 4 samples to try. And then of course we all love this one, the cutest little sample size of the all-nighter. Right in here, it looks like one of those perfume sample sizes with, again, description of the product. The Hourglass Veil sample for a primer, Tarte Drink of Water H2O primer. This is very tall, Clinique moisturizing lotion. It comes in the 3-pack of the different types. So there's just so much stuff. It just keeps going. Moroccan oil, a shimmering body oil sample. That looks fun. Ultra HD foundation. And this was by Makeup Forever. I haven't tried these before, but this is just a picture. That would be cute if it was a little brush. I would be interested to see what how the formula is on my skin, and if I like it, maybe it'll be my next purchase. And then a couple more things. There was a perfume by Jo Malone, London Wood, Sage, and Sea Salt. Oh, it's cologne. I'll probably be not using this, so I'll give it to someone else. And then a Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment pack. And then lastly, Karate's, let's see, a shampoo and it's a rinse out. I'm assuming it's a conditioner. Yes, a shampoo and conditioner. So that is in there as well. So a ton of stuff just like in this bag of free samples, and I just think, you know, it's worth checking out if you can find a discount code. I just typed in on Google Sephora coupons, and I tried a couple to get, like, you know, 20% off your order more than whatever it was, but ended up just popping this in and getting it in the mail. So I wish I could go back and see what code it was, but I think it might be no longer, but they probably do these things all the time. So check it out for yourself if you have an order that you're about to purchase. See what you can get in the free goodies section. So yep, so that is my mini Sephora haul. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you had any questions about the products, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more in the future. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you in my next video.